Morning guys, hi, it's Grace here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the popular dish in Shanghai that I've tasted. It's called Shao Rou with egg. Shao Rou is actually a pork braised stew that is cooked in two different kinds of soy sauce, and it's very sweet. Okay, so over here we have at least 3 pounds of pork belly. It is very essential that on this dish that we use a meat that has fat meat. So perfect for that would be pork belly. And all right, so as we go along, I'm gonna show you how to prepare this dish. But the ingredients that we need would be, of course, pork, star anise, dried lily flower soaked in hot water overnight, of course, Shaoxing wine, dark soy sauce, rock sugar, brown sugar, and light soy sauce. And of course, some people would love this recipe with boiled eggs. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so first thing to do is we're going to put this pork into the wok with water, and we're gonna let it boil for, first boil, just to get the residues out. And there goes my aunt helping me. Of course, cover, and then we'll let it boil for, we'll let it boil. Okay, so it is now boiling, and we are going to pour the water out, and we're going to clean wash it off. Okay, so next is we're going to heat up the wok and then pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Or maybe that's more than 2 tablespoons. And so we're just gonna heat up this oil, and we're going to put brown sugar, and we are going to fry the pork in that. So as you can see that our wok and oil are now oozing hot. It is now ready to put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Make sure that your heat is now on low so your sugar won't get burned, okay? So we're just gonna caramelize this a little bit, and then we are going to drop the pork. Make sure that your heat is on low, because we don't want to burn the sugar at the bottom. For me, I think this method gives it a little browning on the meat, although I don't think we will need it because of the dark soy sauce that we're gonna be using. But you know, I like the caramel. Make sure that all pork are coated with the caramel. Next, we put in the Shaoxing wine. Okay. Yes. And then the light soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons. Oh, I think that's good. That's 3 tablespoons. And then the dark soy sauce. We're just only going to use a little bit because this is very thick soy sauce. Now for all Chinese cooking, this dark sauce is very essential to have in your kitchen. Okay? And then stir. And then we're going to add rock sugar. Now the rock sugar will give it a taste, and then we're just going to braise it until the pork is a fork tender. About 45 minutes. Then there goes the rock sugar. The sweeter, the better. Because Shanghainese culture likes their food sweet. And I am in a Shanghainese household. Alright, and so we're just going to braise it. Cover, braise for about 45 minutes. Oh, and before that, we're going to have to add the soaked dried lily blossoms. Stir a little bit and cover. Oh, let's see when she's gonna cover it. Now, getting ready to be cooked. Yeah, and cover. Yep, and she decided to add the eggs. She's slicing it a little bit. So the flavor goes in the egg as well. And going. I cooked 16 eggs earlier, so that's 16 hard-boiled eggs because my husband loves boiled eggs that is cooked in soy sauce. Okay.
Water.
Okay. And water, of course. It's about 2 cups of water. This will help cook the pork as well as dissolve the rock sugar. And cover. That's good. Thank you. 谢谢. And we are done. It's cooked, guys. So this is how we want to look. Hong Shao Rou with eggs. Say it again. Hong Shao Rou what? Something fun. There, it's cooked, guys. It's what I meant to say was it's cooked, guys. More? She said more. Ah, so it has to be thickened a little bit. Okay, about 3 minutes, she said. Well, thanks to my aunt. So it really has to be syrupy. Well, it's syrupy because of the sugar. Yummy. And I'm getting hungry just by looking at it.
来自家一个菜烧好，网浪向上去，现在会得部分伊菜炒好，
I don't understand what she just
就
said.
讲讲。我在伊欢喜，我也欢喜。伊拉好赚钞票，已经放上去了。这样，你要揉揉揉，人家干点的，干。
Okay. She said a little
Secondly-
thicker more.
我不里边吃，就光头吃。
Okay. So the star anise really made a difference with the smell. And I've been tasting it and it is delicious.